Want this text? Prepare your audio. Go to the text option and choose Auto Captions. Click Generate. Wait until it finishes generating. Set your text size and choose the font you want. Go to Text Animation and choose Caption. Then click the animation you want. Go to the Video Effects tab. Add these effects: edge, glow, and ripple. Now, export. Add your exported clip. Select the clip, go down to Blend Options, and choose Screen. Get ready your audio.